Hi, this is Brendan from Watto Training. In this tutorial, we take a look at TLIC4006, Drive Multi-Combination Vehicle, Section 5, Heavy Vehicles. The term heavy vehicles is applied generally to the trucks, B-doubles and road trains that transport goods across and around Australia. And it also includes buses, trams, agricultural machinery, livestock transporters, tankers, grain and delivery trucks, and other long and possibly slow-moving vehicles on our roads. Heavy vehicles have different safety requirements to other vehicles. There are special road rules and added responsibilities that apply to both the drivers of heavy vehicles and to those who share the road with them. Vehicle dimensions. The width limit for vehicles is 2.5 meters, excluding rear vision mirrors, signaling devices, and side-mounted lamps and reflectors. Anti-skid devices mounted on wheels, central tire inflation systems, tire pressure gauges, permanently fixed webbing assembly type devices such as curtain side devices, provided that the maximum distance measured across the body, including any part of the devices, does not exceed 2.55 meters. Height. The height limit for heavy vehicles is 4.3 meters, unless it is a vehicle built to carry cattle, horses, pigs, or sheep, 4.6 meters. Vehicle built with at least 2 decks for carrying vehicles, 4.6 meters. Double-decker bus, 4.4 meters. Lengths. The length of a heavy vehicle is, for a combination other than a B-double, road train, or a car carrier, 19 meters. The length of a heavy vehicle is, for a B-double, 25 meters. The length of a heavy vehicle is, for a road train, 53.5 meters. The length of a heavy vehicle is, for an articulated bus, 18 meters. And the length of a heavy vehicle is, for a bus other than an articulated bus, 14.5 meters. The length of a heavy vehicle is, for a car carrier, 25 meters, and for any other vehicle, 12.5 meters. Gross vehicle mass, GVM, gross combination mass, GCM, and weight limits. The limits on the mass or weight of your heavy vehicle, including the load, are set to increase safety and reduce wear on roads and bridges. Vehicle manufacturers set gross mass, GVM, GCM limits for each vehicle model. A vehicle must not be operated at a mass limit that will exceed the manufacturer's GVM or GCM. Manufacturer's individual component rating, i.e. axles, springs, tires, etc., statutory mass limits or overall axle spacings. It is the operator's responsibility to make sure these limits are not exceeded. Gross vehicle mass, GVM. The GVM is the maximum loaded weight of a rigid vehicle while driving on the road. GCM, gross combination mass. The GCM is the maximum loaded weight of the towing vehicle and any other trailer or trailers being towed while driving on the road. Gross road train mass, GRTM. The GRTM is the maximum loaded weight of a road train while driving on the road. Gross trailer mass. The GTM is the maximum mass on the axles of a trailer when fully loaded while driving on the road. Axle load limit. The axle load of a wheeled vehicle is the total weight bearing on the roadway for all wheels connected to a given axle. Axle load is an important design consideration in the engineering of roadways and railways, as both are designed to tolerate a maximum weight per axle load. Exceeding the maximum rated axle load will cause damage to the roadway or rail tracks. So we've got here a vehicle, we've got 6 tonne on the front and back axle, a total mass limit of 12 tonne. Let's work from the top down. The GVM of the vehicle with dual wheels at the rear is 15 tonne. Okay, at the front left we have the axle load limit on the single steer axle is 6 tonne. And then we've got two possibilities here, depending on what the vehicle is. The axle load limit on the single wheel axle is 6 tonne, and the axle load limit on the dual wheel axle is 9 tonne. So the 15 that's written on the, let's say on the Pantech, is 6 plus 9 if it's the dual axle, and if it's the single axle, wheel axle at the rear, it's 6 plus 6, which is 12. Okay, let's take a look at this vehicle now. So we've got 6 on the front, and then we've got 6 on the rear axle of the prime mover, and then at the back of the trailer we've got 9. So 6 plus 6 plus 6, sorry, 6 plus 6 plus 9 is 21, which is the GCM, and just on the prime mover there, 6 plus 6 is 12. In this diagram we can see that the gross vehicle mass of the vehicle, i.e. the prime mover, is 6 plus 16.5, which is 22 tonne, and the GCM of the vehicle, below the prime mover plus the trailer, is 6 plus 16.5 tonne plus 16.5 tonne, which is a total of 39 tonne. On this particular diagram, the GVM of the vehicle is 6 plus 15, which is 21 tonne, and the GCM of the vehicle above the prime mover plus the trailer is 6 plus 15 plus 25, which is 46 tonne. Road trains have a length of 53.5 metres and can be up to 80 to 120 tonnes in weight. Road trains. These trains are huge, long trucks consisting of multiple trailers. They are hooked up by what's called converter dollies. There are many forms of combinations, the most common being the 3-trailer or 2-trailer combination. Road trains can sway from side to side as you pass, especially the last trailer. Road users can share the roads with road trains more safely by following these simple rules. Expect road trains to stay on the bitumen when other road users overtake. When approaching an oncoming road train on narrow roads, other road users should slow down, pull onto the shoulder of the road, and stop if necessary. This may avoid unnecessary windscreen damage as well. When overtaking other road users, should be aware of roadside conditions, for example, soft shoulders, guideposts, and wildlife. All units of a road train must be registered. What is a B-double? A B-double is a Class 2 heavy vehicle that consists of a prime mover towing 2 semi-trailers, with the first semi-trailer being attached directly to the prime mover by a 5th wheel coupling, and the second semi-trailer being mounted on the rear of the first semi-trailer by a 5th wheel coupling on the first semi-trailer. A B-double must comply with prescribed mass and dimension requirements. Thanks for watching. This has been Brendan from Watto Training.